Hello, how you doing? On the menu today, we're going to make a fantastic lamb and mushroom coconut curry. This is really, really delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Here I've got some mutton or lamb, a few bones in there, a little bit of fat. There's some nice meat on there. Mushrooms, I'm using these chestnut type mushrooms. You could use a regular white mushroom if you want. Onion sliced, that's one kind of decent sized onion. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then here, look at the powders we're using today. We're using 7 powders. Equal parts, like just over a teaspoon each or a heaped teaspoon each. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, chili, green cardamom powder, garam masala powder, and fennel powder. Beautiful mix that really is. Garlic ginger paste, fresh chilies. We're going to use coconut milk in this. We're also going to start this off with some oil, add some salt. Let's go. So I've got my pan here, I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. If you wanted, you could use a different oil completely. Just dropping in those cumin seeds, and just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. As it heats up, they're going to infuse the oil, give it a great flavour. Next up, we're going to drop in our meat, our lamb or mutton. Few bones in there, some lovely meat, a little bit of fat on it. On quite a high heat, I'm going to go for about 6 minutes. Keep it moving. So there we go, 5 or 6 minutes in. Got a nice bit of colour on it. Next step I'm going to do is add some water. So enough water just to cover it a little bit. Now what we're doing here is we're really going to tenderise this meat. I'm going to add some salt. Keep it on a high heat. And we want to burn off all of this water with evaporation. So we're going to cook it for about another 6 or 7 minutes. It's going to steam out, dry out, and then we're ready to move on. Once we've got that stage done, what we've done first of all is got this nice and soft, and then everything else, we've got mushrooms, onions and spices and coconut milk. It cooks really quickly, so let's get this bit out of the way to ensure that we have a lovely tender piece of lamb. Okay, so what we've done is really help that meat along and on its way. I'm just going to add a little bit more oil, and to that I'm going to drop in our onion, and we're going to stay on this high heat. I'll be back in about 3 or 4 minutes. Fabulous. Okay, garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. I'm also going to drop in our fresh chili. Now I've left mine whole like that. Chop them if you want. Let's just give this a little mix. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our mushrooms. Like I say, I'm using these chestnut type mushrooms. You can just use a regular white mushroom if you want. Again, on the high heat, staying on this high heat, about 4 minutes, keep it moving. Really, really wonderful. We're going to get some spices in now, so let's go for the big 4. The big four is all equal parts, by the way. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, chili powder. Let's get those additional 3. Fennel, cardamom and garam masala powder. Beautiful. One quick mix while we're on this high heat. Get it around there. Okay, coconut milk time. We've got 500 ml, half a litre of coconut milk. We're going to lower the heat now. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. Let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We are nearly done. It is beautiful. That is looking fantastic. Off goes the heat. It's thickened up. It's deepened in colour. I just want to give this a little taste because I think we might need a bit more salt. Yeah, give me a little bit more salt. That is delicious. Yeah, we just put salt in when we boiled the meat. Now, if you wanted some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in there, could be great. I'm happy just like that. That is lovely. Get your rice ready. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. Say hello in the comments. We like to hear from you. Hope you're well. Keep safe. Lots of love.